Hello, welcome to the Blue Shack. I'm Joe. Today I'm working on ring T200031. This is going to be a fairly large size ring in the style of the Diamondback, made out of grade 2 titanium, which I already have chucked up on the lathe here, and I'm ready to get started. Now that I've got the face cleaned up, I'm going to make the largest size ring possible out of this stock. So the only thing I'm going to do right now is carve the outside just to true it up. Outside carved down just a little bit. I'm going to now start boring out the inside. The largest ring mandrel I have is size 17, which goes up to 17 3/4. So that's what size I'm going to try to make, is a 17 3/4. The inside diameter of the ring is now 26 millimeters, which is size 17 3/4. So while I've still got the boring bar on there, I'm going to go ahead and give the inside edge just a little bit of a bevel for comfort. Get that bevel done, and now I'm going to change tools back and resurface the outside edge, get that cleaned up a little bit before I go on to my next step. Got that outside surface smoothed out a little bit with a cutting tool. Next I'm going to put on a knurler and give this a bit of a diamond pattern. Well, I forgot to turn the camera on for that last step, but it does have a little bit of a diamond pattern on it now. I'm going to finish off the inside of this ring next by sanding, polishing, so forth, getting the inside really shiny and ready to go. Now that the inside of the ring is looking all pretty, it's time for the fun part, turning this thing into a ring. There it is, one very large ring with some burrs attached. I need to get this thing mounted on a ring mandrel and clean up these burrs and give the inside edge a little bit of a bevel to match the other inside edge. this ring's coming along. I'm down to filing, sanding, polishing. Once I get this side done, I'll flip that ring over and do the same on the other side. And then the last thing I'll do is polish the inside of the band. Well, there's one side done. Time to turn the ring over and do the other side. Just about done. The only thing left to do is to pull it off the mandrel and polish up the inside of the ring. There it is, ring T200031, size 17 3/4, the largest ring I've made as of yet, and it's pretty darn big, bigger than my thumb. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see y'all next time at the Blue Shack.